We are gonna unbox all of our amazing PR here, and at the end of the video, I will be giving away items, so make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video and check out the caption for how to enter. We have some amazing items in PR, and I want to give some of them back to you guys because without you, none of this is possible. None of this would happen. Let's get back into it, shall we? First up, we have Type B. Now, I don't know if this is pronounced TYPEBEA or Type B, but they are a brand new hair care brand to Sephora. And being blonde, I'm always looking for ways to take care of my hair. My fellow blonde girlies know that when you have blonde or bleached hair, you really need to take good care of it. So first we have the Overnight Boosting Peptide. Now, my friend Dominique Baker, hopefully you're following her. If not, you should be. She went to their launch event. So this is the Overnight Boosting Peptide Traceless Leave-In Scalp Serum. Cannot wait. I love products that you can put on overnight and leave them in and they work as you're sleeping. And then I also chose, they let me choose 2 products. I also chose the Intense Repair Leave-In Treatment. I also love the packaging. It's super sleek. And again, you can find this at Sephora. Next, NUDESTIX and Cottage Springs. This is such a cute, smart PR package. Now, for those who don't know, I used to work in PR. So I have a certain special appreciation for smart PR packages. So they partnered with Cottage Springs to bring you a blush tint, which has SPF, plus a vodka soda that matches. So we have strawberry and then watermelon and then a little blush that matches. Now I'm going to gift one of you this one. I'm putting this in our giveaway pile and I will be adding more. I think more of you would like the pink one, so I'm gonna give you that one. And then I will be keeping these to put in my fridge for a little je ne sais quoi on the patio. Next from Indeed. Now, if you watch my Instagram stories, you would have seen me raving about their bronzing drops. You can find Indeed at Shoppers Drug Mart. I really like their bronzing drop because you only need a little bit. A little bit goes such a long way. Indeed, you can find at Shoppers Drug Mart. They sent over their Total Eye Rescuer, their Even Skin Tone Enhancer, their Facial Line Serum, and their Skin Resurfacer. And this has retinol and bakuchiol. For those who don't know, bakuchiol is a natural alternative to retinol. So they sent over a bunch of products. Again, you can find them at Shoppers Drug Mart. Can't wait to try these out. If you haven't tried the bronzing drops, they are fantastic. From Steve Madden. Now, this is the first time Steve Madden has ever sent me anything. They also sent me a pair of platforms. How freaking cute are these? I love animal print. These are a little kitten heel zebra moment. Also, these would have been perfect for F1. So I guess that means I just have to go back. But I love a little kitten heel because I don't want my feet to hurt. So thank you so much, Steve Madden. Very exciting. They let me pick those out. And then a very new brand to me. Let me know if you've heard of this brand. It's called Whiskey. Whiskey? I think that's how you say it. Anyway, they make activewear and the quality on this is fantastic. Like this is giving Lululemon buttery soft quality. So first I chose this tennis dress. I love a tennis dress. And then this is a romper. How cute with a little collar. So I got to choose 2 items and honestly, it was very hard to choose because everything looked so good. So we will link their website for you guys to check out. Next, we have INNISfree. Pretty affordable brand at Sephora. I've been using them for years. I have yet to find an INNISfree product that I didn't like. Okay, so they restocked me. Ooh, nice. The green tea cleansing foam. I have tried this. Their cleansing foams, I have gone through so many of them. There's so many different types and they are all amazing. We also have the green tea caffeine bright eye serum. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This is caffeine and niacinamide. We also have the green tea seed hyaluronic acid cream. Again, you can find everything at Sephora. And then the green tea enzyme vitamin C serum. Holla at your girl. Beautiful. Can't wait. I love INNISfree. I've been using their products for years and years and they are affordable and affordable compared to a lot of other skincare brands and they get the job done and they are fantastic. Love these. So this is from Blume. Welcome to a kinder wellness world. Now I love Blume. Blume makes the Super Belly that I'm always raving about. The gut health and hydration drink. Super Belly. It's here. Amazing. You're launching June 2nd. Your matcha got a glow up. Ooh, strawberry matcha with collagen. Say less. 5 grams of collagen, only 2 grams of sugar. The packaging, I love the packaging. And then they also sent over a Super Belly. We go through so much of this. I drink it all the time. And then also the girls who work for me always drink it as well. That has probiotics and it has electrolytes. I am so excited for this matcha. My sister also really loves matcha. Okay, we have one more box and then I will show you what's going to be in the giveaway and tell you how you can win. Now, who is this from? Oh, okay, yeah, I do know who this is from. So this is from one of our favorite candy brands. How cute is this box? Smart Sweets in a cloud. It's in a cloud. Dream Puffs. Now, I have seen people post about these. Apparently, these are amazing. Our softest and squishiest candy. So the texture, I've been seeing people squish them. Let's open it now, shall we? I'm gonna definitely put some of these in the giveaway. They're very soft and squishy. Oh my gosh, they're so yummy. I hope you can see this. They kind of taste like marshmallows, strawberry foam and peach foam. I describe it almost like a fluffy Starburst. That's what they taste like. Okay, let me round up a giveaway for what one of you will win. Okay, everybody, here is your lovely giveaway box I put together for you. So you get some of the new Smart Sweets, a ton of skincare, makeup, a little bit of jewelry. So one of you will be winning this lovely package. Check out the caption for how to enter. Stay tuned for more PR hauls. If you think I should be doing a giveaway like this in every video, I'm more than happy to. Let me know if you like this style of video and if you like winning a box of goodies. I will see you in the next video. Bye. The babies are here. The babies are here. There's the other baby.